Hey everyone, I am Sohan and I'm excited to share my project CasperLink, which is built for the Casper Hackathon 2026. When I started this hackathon, I didn't just want to build another D app. I wanted to create something that the Casper ecosystem actually needs. So I reached out to Michael and David from the Casper team and asked, what infra is missing? What would make the biggest impact? And they pointed me towards two gaps. Casper needs reliable Oracle infrastructure, and with bridges coming soon, we need better cross-chain UX. That's how CasperLink was born. Here's the problem with cross-chain transactions today. To swap Bitcoin for Ethereum, you need to navigate to a bridge website, bridge your BTC to Ethereum, go to a DEX like Uniswap, manually calculate slippage, and there are 10 plus manual steps across multiple platforms. It's complex, risky, and intimidating for most users. And with Casper's official bridge launching soon, we need a unified interface that makes cross-chain simple, not just another complex tool. CasperLink solved this with two production-ready smart contracts. The first one is the Oracle contract, and the second one is intent parser contract. The Oracle contract is a decentralized price feed system deployed on Casper testnet. It provides real-time cryptocurrency prices, Bitcoin, Ethereum, CSPR, all stored on-chain with timestamp validation. And here's the key. This isn't just for CasperLink. It's public infra. Any Casper D app can query these prices for free. DeFi protocols, NFT marketplaces, lending platforms, they all need reliable data. Now, the intent parser. This is where the magic happens. Instead of manually navigating bridges and dexes, users simply express their intent. I want to swap 1 Bitcoin for Ethereum with 2% slippage protection. That's it. One simple statement. The intent parser queries the Oracle for real-time prices, calculates expected output, manages the entire transaction cycle. It's like having a personal DeFi assistant. Now you might be thinking, Casper just announced CSPR.bridge and CSPR.trade. Why don't we need CasperLink? Great question. CasperLink doesn't compete with those, it extends them. Think of it as this way. CSPR.bridge and trade are the tools, the infra, and CasperLink is a smart interface that uses those tools intelligently. Without CasperLink, users will still navigate manually the bridge, calculate amounts, and execute swaps. With CasperLink, they express just intent, and the system coordinates everything behind the scenes, choosing the best bridge, best DEX, best route, all while protecting them with the Oracle verified prices. When Casper Bridge launches, it will integrate with it as the execution layer, adding features like automatic price protection, intent-based UX, and multi-step transaction coordination. We are not building another bridge. We are building the GPS for cross-chain navigation. Now let me show you how it works. This is the live application running on Vercel connected to CasperLink. Let me just refresh it, and if I have CasperLink extension, Casper Wallet extension installed, then it will automatically connect to it. Let us see how it works. Now I want to swap some USDC for CSPR. So let us just fill the form. Chain should be Ethereum. Let us have, let's say, 200 tokens. To chain Casper, and token is also Casper. Let me just create intent, and here's the password. When I click create intent, this triggers a real transaction on Casper testnet. The intent parser contract stores my intent on-chain, queries the Oracle for prices, and sets up slippage protection. And there it is. Transaction submitted. I get a deploy hash. This is a real on-chain transaction verifiable on Casper Explorer. Let us go to Explorer, and here's the proof. This is the Casper testnet Explorer showing our intent parser contract being called. You can see the deploy hash, the execution, the gas use, and the timestamp. This is real, this is live, this is on-chain. Now, let us go to intents page. Here's every intent which I have created. The top one is my transaction from phase 1. You can see that the ones below are the intents I just created. They are in the pending status. And because they are waiting for execution, in phase 3, when bridge integration is complete, these would automatically execute. But the key point, every single one has a verified transaction hash. Let me just click on any one of them. And yeah, on-chain proof is there. So let me just go to another section. Yeah, here are the oracles in action. Real-time price feeds for all major cryptocurrency, updated every 2 minutes, stored on the chain. This data is publicly accessible. Any developer building on Casper can integrate these price feeds into their D app for free. Now let me get back to the presentation. And here's what, these are the things which makes CasperLink production ready. The first is smart contracts, the second is front end, and the third is infrastructure value. Both our smart contracts are ready, and the front end is on Next.js 14, and the infrastructure value wise also, the Oracle provides public price feeds for the and the both contracts are open source and ready for community use. So what is next for CasperLink? The phase 3 would be bridge integration. When bridge launches, we'll integrate it as our execution layer, enabling fully automated cross-chain swaps. Phase 4 would be multi-chain expansion, support for Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, and making the prices page real. DEX aggregation integration to find the best prices across multiple platforms. Phase 5 would be enterprise features, advanced intent matching algorithms, institutional grade API, and ZK verified execution proofs for maximum security. Here's the vision. CasperLink becomes the universal interface for cross-chain operations on Casper, the place where users come when they want to move assets across chains, simple, secure, and smart. So isn't a proof of concept. This is live infrastructure that the Casper ecosystem can use today. If you believe in making cross-chain DeFi simple, accessible, and secure, if you want to see Casper become the cross-chain leader, I'd love your support. Thank you to Michael, David, and the entire Casper team for their guidance. Thank you to the Casper Association for this incredible hackathon. And thank you for watching. Let us make cross-chain simple. Let us build the future together. Thank you.